Welcome back to the Empire, peeps. Thanks for everyone liking and subscribing to the channel. Trust me, I'm just waiting for my cameras, better content. None of this fucking shit, me sitting in the van anymore. Trust me, I'm going out, doing my thing, and you're going to see some proper epic videos, promise you. But what I'm going to talk about today is essentials for your van, what you should need. I've done this video like 8 times now. I'm not going to lie to you, I've fucked it up like 8 times now. Having a glass of whiskey. I'm not going to show you all of them because I've got loads laid out on that bed. But I'm going to give you my little hints and tips, why I carry them or whatever. And if you want to carry them, go and buy them. That's all you got to do. You know what I mean? So, what a lot of people don't tell you in van life, the first thing you should have is one of these, an OBD2. To be honest, if you don't know what you're doing, you don't need to know what you're doing. Just don't erase the codes. You know, the reason I have this in my van is a guide. So if I take my van into an MOT centre or a mechanic or whatever, I know the issue with my van. If you don't have one of these, they can charge you an arm and a leg. Trust me, I've had it done. As soon as I take my van to the mechanic, I tell him the issue, not he tells you the issue. Does that make sense? Works really good. I paid about 60 quid for that in Halfords. You might get it cheaper on eBay. This is the Foxwell. Do not buy one of those Bluetooth ones because they are garbage. And when I mean garbage, they are garbage. Right, that's gone. Done. Number 1 was done. Number 2, I don't know why I set myself has done a review on this box and no one, pull my pants up, has done a review. This bad boy. I don't know if people have seen that video. This bad boy is just unbelievable. This is a 12-volt lunchbox. It's not meant to cook, but I've done a challenge cooking, I can't remember. It was some kind of chicken, I can't remember. I cooked chicken and rice, I think, in this, on my video. It was a long time ago. Paid £10 for this box, or 7 quid. I can't remember, around that price. But I'm not going to say to you lot, go and buy it because it can cook. I'm going to tell you, it will heat up any leftover food and it will taste lovely. Trust me, it stays in my van and this will always be in my van. If this breaks down, so far it hasn't, I've had this like quite a long time now, I will buy another one. Look at this. Look how easy it is to clean. So you get a 12-volt plug, you can put your fruit or your apples in it, and in here you put your rice or your chicken and that, and look how easy it is to clean. In here, do not put water. Some people put water in here on their YouTube videos. Do not do that. You'll fuck up your elements. Do not do that. Trust me. All you got to do is put a bit of water in here, and then you've got a little steam pot here where you can let the steam out, and it works brilliantly. I'm telling you now, this box is wicked. Love it. Guys, but that's 3 minutes already, so I don't think I can show you all this. Anyway, definitely pick yourself one of these lunch boxes. The only thing is, you need solar because it does take a bit of electric. It's good to use it in the day. So, example, if you've got like sausage rolls, pasties, or whatever you want to heat up, oh, this is better than the microwave. And it just tastes, it's got a different taste. I'm telling you now, you buy one of these, and I bet you any money you'll leave a comment below and you say, wow, that box is good. But yeah, have a solar or an alternator when you're driving or whatever. You would love this box. Trust me, essential. Next thing is, I've got a log burner, I've got a diesel heater, I've got Mr. Buddy. But when you're on a campsite, technically you can't use the log burner and you can't use your diesel heater. You know what I mean? Especially if fumes are blasting away. So if you've got a hookup system, one of these bad boys, 240 volt to 800 watts come out of here. The only thing is, for my van, it's a long wheelbase van. It does heat it up, it takes a while, and the fan is really loud. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. But if I had 2 of these, because this has got a thermostat, it like levels it. So if I had 2 of these and the heat, you know, was the same, it'd be good. In a small wheelbase van, maybe, maybe a middle wheelbase van, it'd be good. But my van, long wheelbase van, it does need 2 of these because I have it up high. Because obviously when you open the door, it lets in cold air and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, they're good. It's essential. It's lightweight. Instead of carrying one of those, what's it called? Oil radiators. I know they're good. They heat up the van really nicely. But it's weight to the van. You know what I mean? And if you're off grid or whatever, you don't want to carry that much weight. So yeah, tip 2. Tip 3 is quite basic for me. Is lights. 100% lights. This one here claims it can cook an egg on a pan. It can't cook an egg. This is a £20 torch, but all I can say to you, it's worth 20 quid. It's really bright. Might be less than 20 quid now, might be about 14 quid. It's really powerful. Battery's quite good on it. I've charged it up like, what, 2 times? And it's really bright. Trust me, very bright. Yeah. But this one, if you don't want torches, or you need something spare, shall I say, USB torch. And the reason I'm saying to have a torch in your van, if you break down, trust me, you can't see nothing in your engine bay at night. Trust me, or underneath your van. Have a torch. It will save your bacon one day. This one is about 7 quid. It's quite powerful. Quite powerful. My mate gave this one to me. He got sponsored by a channel as well. So he gave this to me. They gave him 4 of these. Really good torch. And thanks for sending that out to me. So, the next thing is inverters. Oh, this video is going to be long. Inverters. So I've got a 2000 watt inverter. A lot of people talk about sine waves and all that kind of stuff. Oh, I understand the clean power. I understand that. I'm not here for clean power. I'm here for lightweight, and I'm here to be off grid, right? So, if you want to be on a budget, buy one of these. I'm telling you now, 150 watt this is, right? So it goes straight into your fag lighter, and I've had no issue so far. The only issue I've had, is how loud it is sometimes. So at night it's no good, especially if you're running something powerful. Example like a Sedgway. Yeah, it powers that Sedgway up. It charges up no problem. My e-bike, my DYU bike, should I say, charges up no issue. Laptops, no issue. So if you're charging big things, example Sedgway electric bike, you hear the fan. But my laptop, it never went on, so that's pretty cool. You know what I mean? For a cheap £10 inverter, or £10.49, whatever. So that is an essential. So yeah, have a look at them. So far, we've had it 2 years, no problem. So yeah, that's cool. Right, what else can we say here? I don't know what to pick because we've got so much stuff here. So that's done. Alright. This is going to be my last one. If you want more of these peeps, leave a comment below, and trust me, I've got a box, all lightweight stuff, what you can use. Trust me, I've got some good stuff. So one of these bad boys, submergible heaters. And the reason I'm saying to have one of these, obviously, you know, if you've got gas and propane, some people don't care about that, but if you're off grid and you want to save on gas or whatever, and you've got good solar, why not heat up a 25 litre drum? And to be honest, this heats up really quickly. The only thing is, you need a 2000 watt inverter to run one of these, or you get a lower submergible heater. So this one is a 2000 watt, and my little cheap inverter, maybe a fake inverter, is working brilliantly. You know, a lot of people's actually bought that inverter from my channel, and they had no issue so far. It works a treat. Trust me, a 25 litre drum, if I can remember, it took about 20 minutes to get to 35 degrees with this. It took a lot of power, I'm not gonna lie to you, it took a lot of power, but I had the solar. So I tried to get it to as hot as I can, let it sit there, and the time we come in to have a shower, it's lukewarm. So you can put a submergible shower head in there, have a nice shower in the shower. There's no gases or propane burning. I feel happy and safe. So yeah, this is a must. I'm going to give you one more tip, and that's it. one more tip because I've got, actually, let me give you 2 more tips and that's it. Sticky. You're feeling sticky in bed. Look at these. Cheap little items here. Cheap little items. Come on, man. So, a USB, micro USB, sorry, fan what charges up through the sun. You're waving yourself when you're hot at night, because trust me, I don't know everyone's experience, but my experience, especially in France, it was hot. So this, with the water, with cold water in there, I had that in the fridge obviously, spraying myself at night and just cooling my feet and my, oh my god, that worked a treat. I'm not gonna lie. You can get this now with USB fitted. So they're about £1. Cheap, really cheap to have. Next one, this is the last one I'm gonna show you because I've got so much up there. So this is the last thing I'm showing you. I've got quite a few more to show you, but these things here are for like 7kg bottle, and you can basically refill a £1 propane bottle from your 7kg bottle, and that's what I do. I feel safer to have my 7kg bottle stored away and use a £1 propane bottle, you know what I mean, on my cooker or on my shower, you know what I mean, because I've got kids, you never know what's going to happen. An open flame is everywhere in this van, and I just feel safer with a £1 propane bottle to a 7kg bottle, because obviously a 7kg bottle is like a bomb, you know what I mean. So yeah, that is the best way to say it. So I recommend to refill from your big bottle to your small bottle, and then get a regulator from your £1 propane bottle and put it on your cooker or your outdoor shower, if you've got an outdoor shower or whatever. You can do it on any system, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm not going to show you no more because I'm quite cold, you know. I've got no heater on, I've got no wood burner on, and I'm feeling cold. So that is it. So thanks everyone for subscribing, liking. Trust me, I've got lots more to show, but obviously, you know, it takes time to actually show these things. So yeah, if you want to come an empire, make sure you like and subscribe, baby. Peace out and stay safe, and don't look behind you.